Day one, we're at Gatwick, on the way to Istanbul. Arrived in Istanbul. Back in the room now, the operation's done, the aftercare meeting's done. Just pretty key that we sleep well and just look after the grafts really. It's not much pain, as you can see. Quite a full lot of grafts have gone in there, probably about 3,100. And it's just really important that we sleep well. Back in London, we're on meds, and as you can see, the new hairline. 6, and as you can see, it's starting to grow. I've shampooed, and I've just tried to eat quite healthily. 21, and yeah, in London, as you can see, it's quite red. So it's day 225, and this is the last update for you. As you can see, my hair is fully grown back now. The top, the sides, the donut area, no scarring whatsoever. Full hair growth's come through. I'll just turn around for you. You can see the back and the coverage on the top, and the fringe, the frontal hairline. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the results. So yeah, I highly recommend Get Hair to anyone looking to get a FUE hair transplant. Go and see Get Hair.